When you're under the constant barrage of your partner's criticism, blame, and senseless arguments, it can feel like that you're losing yourself piece by piece. Each put down or accusation forms a pattern that can chip away at your self esteem. It can sap your vitality and steal your joy. This erosion is often so gradual that you may not notice it until you hardly recognize who you've become. Their behavior is driven by their own unresolved psychological issues that they're acting out on you. So stand strong and don't allow yourself to be susceptible to their efforts to break down your sense of self or their own purposes. By actively grounding yourself daily, you can begin to rebuild your identity anchored by your own values, your own desires, and your own aspirations. This will not only build your resilience within the relationship, it can also improve your quality of life.